3.6 liter V6 2020 Jeep Gladiator, 285 horsepower, 6.4 liter supercharged V8 Hemi, around 500 horsepower in 3, 2, 1, go! What happened?
I lost traction.
Yeah. Maybe
I went all squirrely.
Four-wheel drive.
Yeah, probably.
We need four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Should we do a take two, or?
I still beat her.
You want to redeem yourself?
I still beat her.
Okay. This is a take two. The Hemi has so much power, and the pavement is wet. Clayton couldn't get any kind of traction. I never thought I'd say that with a Jeep Wrangler of all things. This is a take two. We're now in 4 high. In 3, 2, 1, go! That Hemi sounds so good, and to think that soon the Gladiator is gonna have 1,000 horsepower crank, wait, I messed that up. It's gonna have 1,000 crank horsepower Hellephant. Looks so good. I hate to embarrass Clayton like this, but you know what? He deserves it. Foot to the floor, go! I messed that up. I don't know what happened. My foot hit the brake, not the gas. It's just so embarrassing for him. I mean, he never really stood a chance when you think about it. So yeah, scratch that. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to beautiful Holly, Michigan. For the past 4 days, we have driven the Gladiator 1,500 miles across the United States for one reason and one reason alone. 3.6 liter V6, 285 horsepower, the stock engine in the Gladiator. We have arrived here to America's Most Wanted 4x4, and that's because I am pretty sure with almost 99.999% certainty, this is gonna be the first Gladiator in the world with this engine swap. I have been trying to save this information from you guys for so long. It has been so difficult, but today is the day. We are getting Mopar's new crate engine dubbed the Hellephant. That's right, boys. We are getting the Hellephant. We're talking 1,000 crank horsepower, 950 pound-feet of torque, Hellephant Gladiator coming to a vlog near you. So we're dropping off the Gladiator here in Holly. We're actually flying home to Utah today, and then we're flying back to Michigan soon. And when I say soon, I'll explain. We have entered the power vault here at America's Most Wanted. All of these crates, yep boys, these crates are new engines. We got a couple Hellcats in there. We're gonna pull one out, see what it looks like. Unfortunately, the Hellephants are not here yet, but they're gonna be soon. Not in today's video, but like in a future video. We're just doing a little photo shoot right now with the Gladiator and the Hellcat in preparation. Keep coming, keep coming. Yep, you're good, you're good, you're good, yep. We have the 6.2 Hellcat, we're talking 707 horsepower. So we have the standard 3.6 liter. The Hellephant is a 7 liter, like 7.0. This is a 6.2, and somehow that is gonna fit in this. Also, the coolest thing about it, it's a 1,000 horsepower crate motor, OEM, and so it comes with a warranty, which is simply unheard of. Like Lamborghini has never in the history of the entire company built a motor with 1,000 horsepower, and I'm gonna have one with a warranty from Mopar. As far as timing, the Hellephants have not arrived yet. I'm hoping around the 1st of July, but because I'm headed to Italy on Sunday, it just made more sense to bring the Gladiator here, drop it off, fly to Italy, fly home. Those two are getting married, go to their wedding, and then fly back to Michigan. So that's kind of like the tentative. That Hellcat motor we just saw is going in this Gladiator this week. They're getting ready to pull the body off the frame, so we're gonna kind of hold tight and see that in works. But yeah, the Hellephant should be here in about maybe 2 to 3 weeks. I'm gonna fly back to Michigan, and I'm gonna film the whole install from beginning to end, including the first cold startup and the first 4-wheel burnout. That's so cool. No way. Whoa. So guys, this is gonna be happening with my Gladiator in like 2 weeks with the Hellephant. To actually swap out the motor, they lift the body off the frame. Obviously, I have no idea what I'm looking at right now. We got the transmission right there, but soon we're gonna have a 7 liter supercharged V8 sitting right here. Also good to get a look at this frame because at some point we're gonna have to slice it like right there for the third axle. Also the exhaust, it doesn't sound very good, so man, we're gonna have to replace that too. In an exciting sequence in the vlog, America's Most Wanted has somehow, some way given us the keys to their 6.4 Hemi Wrangler. So yeah, this is sick. It's not a cold startup, and for that I'm very, very, very sorry, but it's a 6.4 Hemi Wrangler, so I think you guys are gonna be just fine. Listen to this. sounds like a muscle car.
You see that Gladiator right there? It's getting a demon swap.
Like, that's what they do here at America's Most Wanted. They love power, just like you guys love power, and just like I love power. If today's video can get, wait, I didn't know I was gonna go with that. Never mind. Scratch that, scratch that, scratch that. If today's video gets 1 million likes, Eddie just suggested we do an 8x8. So smash that like button.
And he has to do 8x8 burnouts.
Well, obviously. I mean, obviously that was gonna happen. Are you kidding me? So yeah, we're headed this way. Guys, we just found a turtle. Ark, everybody out. Go, 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 go. Turtle, turtle. What?
Oh, he's a snapper.
No.
Yeah.
The most rare iteration of the vlog, the elusive and exclusive turtle vlog. Dun 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 dun. Oh gosh! Oh no! He's not happy. He is not happy. Oh, we got traffic. Sorry. We saw a turtle. We saw a turtle. I've never seen a turtle in the wild. We saved a turtle.
Yeah.
We saved a turtle, boys. It's time to celebrate. Not a paid product placement for A&W or its affiliates. The 6'4" Hemi Wrangler JL, 495 horsepower. So post Hellephant, we're gonna have double the horsepower. That was that insane. It's gonna be twice as insane. Jeez, that is a Jeep Wrangler doing dope. We're getting hit. We're getting hit. I am going to be attempting to do donuts in a Jeep Wrangler. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go. Okay, that is so much fun. I never thought in my entire life I'd be doing donuts in a Wrangler. Okay, we're doing it again. Never doubt, full set. I cannot wait. So we're actually flying home to Utah today because the Hellephant hasn't arrived. But boys, when it does, and when we have 3 axles, we're actually gonna be, we're gonna do 6-wheel burnouts. Whoa, we're doing 6-wheel burnouts soon. So Colin just got some awesome slow-mo footage of us doing donuts in the Wrangler. Guys, go follow Colin on Instagram, link in the description below. Colin's camera, screenshot right here. Slow-mo footage in 3, 2, 1. We are out here getting exclusive, unprecedented access. We're at Oakland County Off-Road Park. That's kind of like its unofficial name right now. It's not quite open. We are some of the first people in the world that get to sort of, well, we're gonna adventure through it. So I think we're gonna do some hill climbing. Obviously it's very, very muddy, which is good for the viewers. We're good. We lived. I don't know if you can tell. It was a little bit bumpy. There was like a bump and yeah. You don't get this kind of mud in Utah. It's such a different style off-roading, and it's so crazy to have that much power. Like usually with off-roading, like you're going really slow and conservatively and being very, very specific with your movements. With one of these Hemis, it's just like, it's full send. Every day, all day, full send. I like that. That's sort of my style. We've now reached somewhat of the sad portion in the vlog. We have to say bye to the Gladiator. The crazy thing is, like, I don't actually know when I'm flying back to Michigan. The goal is July 1st, but the Hellephants haven't arrived, and so, well, I don't know. Oh, I'm getting merch? Merch! Whoa! Eddie X, guys, you know Eddie X. This is for me.
Yes, this is for you.
Dude,
It'll
this
fit
is
you.
sick. Your merchandise is so much thicker than mine.
No, yours
Good,
is cool
thank you.
too.
Is that a GT350R?
R.
Burlacker.
Shelby.
Burlacker, you
What
should
you
have got an R. Burlacker, why didn't you get an R, bro? Like, I mean, the 350 is cool, but you could have got an R.
Yep.
So, yeah. We're saying bye to the Gladiator. I'm not sure when we're headed back to Michigan, but hopefully soon. I'm gonna miss the Gladiator so much. This means the only 2 cars I have are the Gallardo and the Aventador. So as soon as we get home, we're going car shopping. I think focused, well, more to come. I'm gonna miss the Gladiator, but yeah. So we're headed that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, that way, and there.
Yes, it's actually my grandpa's car because it's an old man's vehicle, you know?
Oh, even, whoa, whoa, whoa.
flexing on us. Are you kidding me? And offering water.
And the best thing is soft closed doors. I love soft closed doors.
Oh, here we go. These Audi guys with their soft closed doors think they're so much better than Jeep guys because we have to slam.
Hey,
I'm
you
just
have
kidding.
like 3 Audis.
Really? Now I'm triggered. Now I'm triggered. Now I'm triggered. I don't have any Audis. Well, I kind of do.
did.
The R8 didn't really sell, by the way, which I'm more to come. Yeah, I know. I know, I'm triggered too. We are saying bye to the Gladiator. I have no idea when we're gonna see it again.
Are you gonna have separation anxiety?
Yes, I already have
Oh,
it,
no.
and it's been 9 seconds.
Oh no.
Last night we're having frozen custard and a man named Michael walks up to me and he's like, hey, I've seen you on YouTube. I own a Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. Do you want to come check it out? So here we are today. So yes, the custard vlog has preceded us into the LP640 vlog. We seem to find LP640s everywhere. LP640, but for some reason or another, we keep crossing paths. I need it. I need an LP640 coming to a vlog, maybe soon. Probably not, but maybe. There's just something about a Murcielago LP640. Unfortunately, Michigan, it's raining. Come on. That car looks so good though. Best sounding car in the world right there. Oh my gosh. IPE exhaust. Whoa. Eddie, why is the Mercy so good looking?
Because it's just the ultimate thing.
Oh my gosh.
Calling it. You're gonna have a Mercy within the year.
Whoa, hey, whoa. Whoa, don't set me up for failure like that. Are you actually, no. He's probably right. Whoa, I almost just, whoa. So guys, my flight is taking off like, actually, wait. That's my airplane. Eddie, that's my airplane. In 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. We need some scissors. Hey-oh, check that out, yes. 3 vlogs ago, I mentioned that I'm going to be attempting the top speed in my Lamborghini Aventador. That event is tomorrow, and per the requirements of that, I need a fire suit. So hopefully we don't need that because we don't have a fire extinguisher as well, but anyways. As far as the Hellephant, I still don't really know when it's going to arrive, but as soon as it does, I'm booking a flight to Michigan, I'm flying out there, I'm filming the install, and then I'm driving it back to Utah. So yeah, anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.